There's a respiration kit you can get from a company called Solvita. Buy it relatively cheaply at this point in time, what it's measuring is the actual respiration level of the biology, whatever it is. So you actually take a sample and you put this little measuring stick inside a little plastic container with a bit of soil and this little stick, and it changes colour depending on the level of respiration. So it's not telling you what species are there, it's only telling you the amount of respiration. It gives you a step-by-step process for measuring ground cover. And like I harped on about before, in this part of the world, ground cover's king, because that's what stops your erosion. But we also know that ground cover also protects not only your soil, but it protects your biology. And they don't have a hope in hell of working in your situation because you don't have the biology to support the product. The product, I've found as time goes on, a lot of these biological products have got much better, and typically they quite often are, as per the jug, as per the label. They quite often are somewhere near the label. But that's not the question. The question is, what is this product's chance of actually working in my situation?